children, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn and write make sentences. So let's get started. Number 1. Teacher. We should respect our teacher. Number 2. School. I go to my school every day. Number 3. House. My house is very big. Number 4. Friend. Yash is my friend. Number 5. Book. This is my English book. Number 6. Country. India is our country. Number 7. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Number 8. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Number 9. Pencil. I write with a pencil. Number 10. Mother. I love my mother very much. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Bye bye.